Probably just transferring. There it goes through the building. We can walk with it. You can see my reflection. I'm walking with the car. There's Ernesto. You can see his reflection. Now we have to go around the building. Brings it into its individual bay. Oh, now it's behind the wall. You can see the equipment under there. And there's our new car. We bought it with a token. Soon the doors will open. We can walk in and drive it. See the tracks down here. How the pallet is just moving itself robotically along the tracks. Right. Open sesame.
I think he's gonna bring it up first.
Oh, you're right. Oh, sounds like it's snapped in place. I want to see the doors open. Are they going to open for us? I don't know. I think we need a key. Okay, let's go inside and see what the rest of this process is like. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited.
It's about to open the door itself.
Oh, I'm gonna go get it.
Fine, go.
Just in time. All right, and here's our new car. Yay! Just like that. Easier than buying a candy bar.
For you.
So go ahead and take a look at it.
Wow.
If you want to take a quick spin, you're more than welcome to do it.
Michelin tires.
Just remember, Carvana offers 7-day money-back guarantee, which means whatever happened to the vehicle in 7 days, or if for any reason you don't like it, you can swap it for another vehicle, just like you did, because how many people were expecting a new one, right?
Yeah. We have technical issues.
Gotcha. Yeah, so this car actually, when I turned it on, you didn't even feel it. Yeah. So like I said, take your time. Once you're ready, I'll wait for you inside.
All right, perfect.
All right, thank you.
So I can go ahead and take it.
Yeah, you can take a quick spin.
Okay, perfect.
All right. It's our new car. It's our new family car.
Check it out. Make sure everything looks okay.
No dents. It's an eco hybrid. You see that? 50 miles to the gallon. These beautiful brand new tires. Man, it's a great size. Let's see the back space. How many strollers can you fit back there?
About one. Got this little latches, so you can have some storage space.
I guess the spare tire is underneath there. There's the jack. Yeah, you just loosen that up and it's underneath there.
Let's double check.
Yeah.
That's good. Nice. Got the jack right there.
Uh-huh. Looks like you can flip down that back seat.
You know what? I don't see a spare.
Oh, I think it's contained in there. Yeah, you just have to loosen it up.
Oh, okay, so
yeah.
so it's okay inside.
Yeah.
So it's probably one of those tiny little spares.
This looks like it flips down pretty easily. So
Yeah.
if you want to have a big back seat,
Yeah.
it's almost like a covered truck.
And this is for the car seat. This tethers, so it comes back and then you
Wow.
tether it.
You can fit 3 car seats in there.
Oh, it's nice. I like it.
Oh, is it locked? Do you have the
no,
key?
no, sorry. All right.
Beautiful interior. They gave us a complimentary Carvana drinking mug.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. It looks very well detailed. Look at that.
Got that new car smell.
The rugs are nice. I mean, they're different. I almost don't want to step on it, but it's got a good. What do you think?
Yeah.
Pretty good. Definitely more space in the trunk. Well, for ML, she's not gonna like it. It's
Well,
not
ML
more
will be in the
space.
front seat because the baby has to go in the back seat.
That's
So
true.
the puppies will be up here. Yeah. Ah, this is exciting. All right, let's take it for a spin. I want to get you starting the car the first time.
Everything's manual. That's okay. Check out the brake.
Just push start. Just push
It's
the
on.
button. It's on?
Yeah,
You can't even hear it running.
that's what it says.
Wow.
Confirm.
All right, let's go for a ride.
All right. Oh, yeah. Let's see. All right. We got our audio devices.
Can you turn it off and turn it on again? I didn't hear a thing. I don't think it's on.
We'll say, okay, now it's off.
Okay.
Now it's on.
You can't even tell it's running. All right, let's see if it
let's
moves.
see if it moves.
Let's see if we did this
Hold on,
correctly.
hold on, gotta adjust the mirrors. Yeah. Okay, it's got a little sunglasses thing. Honestly, I didn't pay too much attention to everything. Oh, we gotta get the Texas tag for it. See if it works. It works.
Wow!
It's running.
Incredibly smooth. You don't
is very
even you don't
smooth.
hear the engine at all.
Turn off the radio because now we just want to listen to every little sound. Yeah.
Wow.
There's any issue with it? We want to make sure. Oh, there's a new car coming. A new sale. Alright, now we're going to assume that it's not going to have the biggest pickup.
Oh, actually, it should have better pickup.
I mean, it's better pickup than the pickup.
Well,
Turbo mode. It's okay. Yeah. You want to Taco Cabana or you want
we could do Taco Cabana.
It drives nice. It feels nice. You're gonna drive it back, yeah?
Okay.
But it feels nice. I was worried that the pickup would be very bad because that's what some of the people were complaining, but it's not. It's actually very nice.
Okay. See how it does over some construction.
I didn't feel that bad.
Yeah.
We'll just go park right here. Are we parking or you want to just pick it up?
Yeah. Let's just park.
All right.
We'll wait a few months before we eat food in the new car.
Oh,
All right.
okay, so
Do you need
it's
to
got-
back up and straighten out? Use the backup camera.
Okay. We got a backup camera. We're so fancy. And then later on we'll... Okay, let's say real quick so we can...
All right. That's all for our pickup video.